Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. I think it's 110 top players on at the moment, actually. Quite a lot. Something to make note of, about 4:30 UK time. Okay, let's go open Sicilian. Yeah. Something like B3. Queen E3, Queen E2, maybe that's okay. I don't want to do the poison pawn business. I just want to see if I can get a reasonable position here. He hasn't gone with Queen E3 anyway. So this could be an aggressive position coming up with G4, etc. I'm hoping it's going to be fun. Bishop G2, E5 ideas, Bishop F6 with G5, stuff like that. E5 here is tempting, Bishop E7, that's annoying. Yeah, just taking on F6, Bishop F6, E5, Bishop E7 again. What about this one? Bishop G2, so a battery on A8. Maybe B4 E5 is worth considering. Okay. I'll get this one. Maybe Knight D5 is something. Just to try and exploit the king in the centre. On B4 Knight D5. That could be fun. I like the rook. The rook's kind of cozy here for a moment. Bring this guy back. Maybe it's a G3. Okay. Got my tea with me here. I think I need to spot the nuances, etc. He's weakening himself a bit on the F file with that move. I wonder if I just do this for a moment. Some weaknesses emerging. Although E5, yeah, that is a solid point. He's still got B4. Should I be worried? That seems a bit on the greedy side. Let's exploit this. For a moment, I'm just going to get my king a bit safer. Right. So it looks as though he shouldn't have too much trouble in theory, but I think I should have something. Maybe A4 coming up. Stop B4 with this move, so A4 holding up things over here. His shelter is a little bit maybe fragile. Let's see. I'm hoping there's a bit of fun to be had on this side of the board, so yeah, that rook d4 stop b4. I think it's an interesting move. So d5 maybe h3 and then e5 is loose. So I'm not sure he can do d5 necessarily. If he wanted to do d5, or maybe just take. Actually, yeah, I don't think he's in a position to do d5. Whoa. Okay. If I attack a6 over here, maybe knight a5. If I knock out this guy, surely that would be a Oh, there's knight h5 though on the cards. I wonder, does it quite matter if knight a5, knight h5? I want to keep that dark square bishop. I think it could be handy. Forcing the knight h5, but knight a5 coming up. The bishop's now striking across those dark squares. There's bishop a7, there's no knight, because there's knight b5, there's bishop a7 here. That could be handy. Gains maybe a tempo.
Check.
So knight b5 to try and win the queen. Or bishop f1 now coming up. Bishop f1, there's a lot of pressure there on bishop f1. Surely. Although e4 is a bit fragile. But I'm getting my attacking pieces. Bishop takes. Knight takes a4. Actually, there's also, what about knight b5? A takes, bishop takes, winning the queen. So where does his queen go? c6? Well, there's knight a5 there. This looks like fun. Knight a5 if queen c6. I'm trying to eliminate this b7 bishop. If queen e7 bishop takes, so queen c6, knight a5. If queen c8, that could be tricky. No, just take here. This could be crushing. It seems as though his king's in big trouble. Okay, let's see. There's also knight d4, but I think something stronger. I think this looks pretty good. Knight takes e4 on my queen. I think I'll just take it. I'm still hitting his queen, so alright, that looks a little bit dodgy. If I take on b6, I don't know about his king safety here. I can take that exchange and take on b7. Sure, I'm just material up. If I get rid of his bishop there, that should be quite good fun. If I bring the queen and rook into the attack now.
Check.
Alright, can I bring the rook in? Or not yet? E5,
check.
Like b4 is useful. If the knight moves, I'm going to have a check here.
Check.
I'm winning that knight. Yeah, it was very difficult, I think. Let's have a quick look. I like these sort of Sicilian hack attack games. Although black's meant to be better here. b4. Okay, I don't know. Knight d5 virtually forced. I don't know about that. It looks interesting. I thought it was okay here. Actually, I think rook d4 is a good move. The angel doesn't mention that. d4 looks like an interesting move anyway. For a4 now. This looks quite vicious. Yes, the check is good
Check.
move. Good idea here for this knight b5. Yeah, so gained some key time there. Oh, there's rook a1 mentioned. That's cute. Rook a1. That was briefly mentioned. I think this is strong. Yeah, this is just a rook a3, keeping. Yeah, rook a3 is crushing. What did I do? I messed things up a little bit. No, it's still +5. +4. I think +4, +5 is
Check.
still win, isn't it? Really. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that one. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.